All right, so we're starting with problem number 9, and we want to find the surface area of this object. So there's 3 surfaces that we need to find. We need to find the circle that's on the bottom. We need to find the outside part of the cylinder, and then part of the cone that's on the top. So there's 3 pieces we need to find the area. First of all, there's the circle on the bottom, and the area for a circle is pi r squared. So we do pi times 3 inches squared. That gives us 9 pi square inches. That's for the bottom. And then I like to think of the outside part of a cylinder as being like the label on a soup can. And the way you would find its area, again, that's a rectangle. And one dimension of the rectangle is 10 pi. The other dimension of the rectangle is the circumference of the circle. And the circumference of the circle we know is 2 pi r. So we have 2 pi r times 10 inches. And r is 3 inches. So we have 2 pi times 3 inches is 10 inches. And that gives us 60 pi square inches. And then we're going to do the top part, which is part of the cone. And in the recording that I put online, I'm just giving you the formula for the surface area of a cone. It's A, which in general, when you have a cone, you have the area of a circle, but we don't have the circle part of the cone because that's on the inside of the shape, plus 1/2 CL. C is the circumference and L is the slant height. So we don't need the A. So we use 1/2 CL. C again is the circumference, and the formula is 2 pi r. And we're given the slant height is 5 inches. So we have 1/2 times 2 pi times 3 inches times 5 inches. The 1/2 and the 2 will cancel out, and we end up with 15 pi square inches. And the surface area is the sum of those 3 areas. So we have the 9 pi square inches for the bottom. We have the 60 pi square inches plus the 15 pi square inches. That all adds up to be 84 pi square inches. And if you use your calculator with the pi button, that's approximately 263.89 square inches. Okay. I'm going to pause the recording here.